ta apangsi kardam pajelo kardam ili kaching hon karbi anglong arado anapanta kardam pajelo kardam pinili kaning je alam theke la phelo je karbi anglong long kheruni hawara long halada bang khai tum itum phan na tengkheng dun la poson itum che thek long pen la ke ningduk me melo athe la ke karbi anglong mate la ke ili mithang ahem long si kedu yong si la so ahem long yong si tum kedu pen la poson agotona nang ke klem dun la pulutang te itum chichak dinne la si kadu ka vitame cerap cetu nangi song la pen party dharmo la hai cepu pen pen karbin te karbilo itum kadu ka ves kami lada kace song do nangi mate la so kisung areng ahu kisuna ajoni itum kadu ka ves kami cisong do nangi la pen kace song amedi cipi do nangi la pen madang so VGR apa thakalam thi itum laso adim pen thale nangi athi ilitum laso ladaki bang habar kali mithang haba lasi kadu ka visitami ning sivet pen nahai tum kan thali lapen itum puthot ke misening akansi duthanang kasi pase nililam thita kang tamno kadu ka bi ithei kiding atum an thang sitami chingrila ngali tum sitami langan pamikan non athi manam pita sanke plan peder nangpo kasi nililam theta pangsi kang tamno kardo
centering an incident of attack on the members of Kavi Students Association and activities of Youth Front having affiliation with the regional political party Autonomous State Demand Committee at Kharoni. Locality of West Karbi Anglong, massive reparation have cropped up across Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. Police of West Karbi Anglong meanwhile have arrested 25 persons after a massive demonstration by activities of Karbi Anglong Student Association and All Party Hills Leaders Conference. District Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, Madhumita Bhagwati, held a meeting with the students for the Autonomous State Demand Committee and appealed for maintaining peace and harmony.